Good morning, everyone. Welcome to Pre-Market News and Views by In the Money Stocks. Today is February 1st, 2019. My name is Nick Santiago. Thank you all for tuning in this morning. All right, looking at the S&P 500 E-mini futures, they are trading up by 1 point to 27.05.5 per contract. You're going to see here big spike in the futures came after the job report. I believe 304,000 new non-farm payrolls were reported. Again, futures were lower by about 5 or 6 points. Then they got a big spike. Now they're settling in to just be up a point. We'll see what we get. The markets have had a huge run, so we'll see where we go today, and we'll see how this all plays out. But I wouldn't make too much out of it. I wasn't sure of what we would see with the government shutdown, but it was a non-farm payroll report out today. And again, 304,000 new jobs reported. There were also some revisions in there from prior months, so you could take a look at all that stuff. But what we really care about is the reaction in the market, and we'll be watching this tape today, seeing what this market does going into the weekend. All right, let's take a look at stocks in the news because we got a big one out here. Amazon, that stock is getting hit pretty hard. Closed at 1718 spot 73 yesterday. Now trading at $1,643 a share. So that's quite a haircut. I have levels ready to go for this one this morning. So again, we will be looking at Amazon right at the opening bell. We'll see where it goes. This stock can move in big swings. So just want to be prepared for that. But Amazon trading under pressure this morning after earnings. We'll see how this all plays out once the opening bell rings. Let's take a look at some other stocks out here. We have Honeywell in play today. That's catching a really nice pop after earnings. Stock closed at 143.63, now trading at 147.40. So I think there's a lot of resistance around the 150 level for Honeywell. We'll see if that does come into play today. We might have a nice little intraday play on that one if it goes a little bit higher, but I have some levels worked out for that stock. Right now, a pretty good move here for Honeywell overall. Let's go over to some, I believe, SYMC, which is Symantec. Right now, this is trading at $22.35. So good little uptick there. Stock closed at 21.02. So nice little pop. Let's take a look at Decker Outdoors, DECK. This is also getting a nice little bid, trading at 120, closed at 128.42, now trading at 137. Let's take a look at some big energy stocks. Chevron, CVX, stock trading at 116.04, closed at 114.65. Really good pop. Briefly got almost up to the 117.50 level. We'll see how that plays out. ExxonMobil, that is also catching a decent bid this morning. Closed at 73.28, now trading at 74.76. Full disclosure, I do own call options in ExxonMobil. Next up, we want to take a look at Merck, big giant pharma play here, MRK. Stock is trading at 75.70, closed at 74.43. Good little move there. If this can get going, this has upside probably to the 77.50 to 78 level. I'm not sure I see that happening right now, but nonetheless, that would be a level you want to watch for. Let's take a look at Yum Brands China, YUMC is the ticker symbol here. Stock closed at 36.49, now trading at $37.60. So decent little uptick there. We'll see how this plays out once the opening bell rings. Let's go to Sony, SNE. I believe they reported earnings as well. Sony right now trading at $50.30, closed at $50.12. Initially had a good little pop this morning, came back in. Volume is on the light side. We're not going to make too much out of that at the moment, so we'll let that play out. Let's take a look at a Chinese ADR, which is Sohu. This is trading at $20.76. This closed at $20.70 yesterday. So got an initial pop, has come back in. I don't think we can make too much out of it. We'll see where we go once the opening bell rings. Let's do one more Chinese ADR here as well. CU, which is CYOU. This stock right now trading at 18.25, closed at 20.18. This is taking a little bit of a beating this morning. We'll look at this one once the opening bell rings. The only level I see that looks decent would be around $17. So we'll see if that gets there, and we'll see if we get a play on it maybe once the opening bell rings today in the intraday stock chat room. Once again, if you have not done so, come on over, take that 7-day free trial to the intraday stock chat room. Really, it's been a great start to 2019. We had a fantastic 2018. We're going to look to keep that going really right into the end of the year. So if you haven't done so yet, come on over, take that 7-day free trial. We'd love to have you aboard, and you could trade right alongside of us. We should get some pretty good action out here this morning. Let's shift gears here a little bit. Let's go over to the gold market. Gold is flat today, trading at $13.25, but gold has been very strong as of late. A little bit overbought, if you ask me. Right now, the GLD is trading at 124.82. That's up from 124.74 at yesterday's close. So again, we'll see how gold plays out. Right now, it is flat. Crude oil up 19 cents, trading at $53.98 a barrel. I don't know if we can make more out of it than that. Right now, crude oil, according to the USO, which is a good ETF to track crude movement, is trading at 11.34, close at 11.34. So that's basically flat as well. We'll see what we get once this opening bell rings. And again, we'd love to have you over here. Come on, take that 7-day free trial to the intraday stock chat. With that being said, everybody, I'm going to leave it here short and sweet. I want to wish you all a great trading day, and we will see you on the charts.